Every time I drive past the boat, I'm watching guys have these fish hooked up. They're literally got right there with one. Guys on the bank with one. Springtime is here and it's action, y'all. All right, folks, we got Foster. Where's he at? There he is, my buddy Foster, his son Jake. And y'all, we in Columbus looking for them skipjacks, white bass, stripers, pretty much anything that'll bite, right? All right, what you want to catch, man? A big one, little one, just a bunch of them? All of them, that's what I'm talking about. Y'all, Jake's got a gobbler on his hat. He's gonna grow into that one day, right? So the plan today is to fish with little white jigs, little shiny jigs, little just jigs in general, and put it in front of their face. And if we can entice a few to bite, once you get one or two, they start all biting, and all it takes is a couple and you will get on them. So that's the plan today, Jake. Cast out, let it drop, jig it back, cast out, let it drop, jig it back. But it's dark, man. It's supposed to be light at like 7 o'clock, and we're all here just a little bit early, and that's cool. I'd rather be here early than late because you don't want to miss that early bite. But anyhow, we're gonna see what we can do. Stay tuned. You ready? Golly, there's an ugly rascal on there. That's a whole lot better, and that's cool. This is just a good spot. Boy, that right there. Jake's finna wear him out, y'all. Yes, sir. You have a bite? Right there?
Yeah.
Woohoo, look at there. Nice. Oh man, these things got a hard mouth. All right. Bring him on, baby. Bring him on, baby.
Huh?
Get back here, Jake, because I had the same spot where
I'm still coming on.
oh yeah, look at that
Nice,
guy.
dude.
Huh?
Skipjack, that's the first one I've ever caught.
Man, that thing's digging. Good grief.
Jake, you need that thing. They're hitting back here, Jake.
Nice.
You'll tie it on. Remember, you tie it on then, buddy. Sit down. We're gonna catch them all. Yeah, buddy. You can go ahead and take that spot.
Jake, turn that camera around, buddy. Good, nice. Turn it around.
Oh. And he got the lure.
Man. What do you think, dude? You just foul hook. All right, I'm gonna spot lock this real quick, y'all. We're gonna spin around. He just foul hooked. I thought it was huge. There's still some around though. Throw that rattle trap, Jake. They're everywhere, baby. They're everywhere. Oh man. Ooh, nice. He is. I mean,
Hey.
he is foul hooked, so he is fighting crazy.
Oh,
Little hybrid. Nice and.
Ken, you want to keep this?
I don't.
Okay.
I don't. They're pretty good eating, what they say, but I prefer a flathead catfish or a crappie if I'm gonna eat something. Got a good tangle, but he got loose. He got loose.
got one.
Hey, baby.
Oh, that's the one with the white bass, isn't it? There you go, it's a nice one.
Heck yeah, it is. I thought we'd get into some of those. Heck yeah, Jake. Yes, sir. Boy, that joker been eating good. Look at the. Oh, I got one. Oh, darn. So what we working with?
Right.
Oh, good night. There's a good one.
Almost let me get a picture.
Wow. What have I got here?
Look at here, bro.
Whoa, buddy.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Something's cutting up, son.
What is that?
Oh, that's a little hybrid.
Oh.
These hybrids just got a different gear.
Where'd you catch him on that?
Same thing Jake's got. I've got a pile of them on the dash. That's called a road runner, I think.
Okay.
It's got a little underspin.
Yeah. Nice one too.
A little, about half the size of that one we caught out in the middle. They're fun. We went down to Americas for my. There you go.
I just got home. Now I'm on
Not what I got yet, but I got something.
I don't think you're winding. Tighten up that drag. You got you a good one.
There we go.
What is
A little white bass.
it? That's
You gotta be kidding me.
one.
Nice. Oh yeah. Uh-huh. Y'all, that's what we catching out here today. Little hybrid, little white bass, a few skipjack. A lot of fun. Pro hawk. And nice! GoPro, start recording. There's the hybrid.
You got one?
There's the hybrid.
You got a log?
No.
He got a fishy.
There you
Ooh,
go.
boy, he was about to take your lunch money. Oh, he didn't get wrapped up, did he? Dang, I think he got wrapped up.
Yeah.
Just pull yourself over to it. We'll try to see if he can come. He can get it off sometimes.
Dang.
There we go. He's loose, baby.
He looked, didn't you?
Nice, Jake. Jake.
Don't lose him now. There you go. Woo! Look at that one.
Yes, sir.
Get him on the,
Good fish, buddy.
I am.
Don't worry about the pole.
Good fish.
Look at that guy. Huh?
Don't get me hooked.
Get down there.
Story. Talk to us. That hybrid right there is somewhere between 2 and 60 pounds.
You tell him how I got hung up on the tree net?
I mean, you had to manhandle that thing, wrestle it off, pull it. I mean, there's a story on that one, dude.
What? I'll get it. I'm excited, buddy. Oh, that's a good one.
Nice one. All right, Jake. Can you hold that right there? Hold that right
Why don't
there.
you tell the world what you did to your dad?
So, guys, we got a mishap. I don't know where that went. So, this dude right here is tough. He didn't even scream or nothing. Jake,
You got me.
you
good.
hooked the biggest one of the day, without question.
Yeah.
And you're down to 2 hooks.
You done 2 hooks.
Goodness gracious, y'all. These right here were the best investment I've ever made because I've had that happen to me too many times.
It's the first time it's ever happened to me.
Hey,
My own son.
hopefully, well, you hope it's the last. You kind
I
of hope
do
it's
too.
not. So, you know,
Could have been a lot worse.
could have been a lot worse. Happy dude, that's a nice
Yeah.
one. That is a nice one. That's dinner.
Yeah.
If you don't want him, Jake, throw him in the cooler. I'll eat him.
Get a picture of him.
Dang. That'll work too. Sometimes when you swat at it, you lose. Jake, how many did you catch, dude? Too many? Not enough?
Lost count.
Lost count. That's when you know it's a good day, when you lost count. We got to get out of here. He's got an option to get to. Whoop, my bad. I ran over somebody. Y'all have got crowded down there at the bubbles, but this time of the year, people are going to be on them, no doubt. I mean, there's 4 boats deep. When the fellow was working his way through, he didn't know. I don't think he knew that he needed to stay out from between the boat and the bank. But I mean, you work your way in there, that's fine. But you got to keep your distance, you know, and respect the folks. So, hey, all's well that ends well. He hooked me up with some bait. So, Walter, if you watching this, buddy, I appreciate you. Every time I drive past the boat, I'm watching guys have these fish hooked up. They're literally got right there with one. Guys on the bank with one. Springtime is here and it's action, y'all. Curly tail, white jig, silver jig, a little bit of flake in there, Foley spoon, they all work. Get out there and go fishing. Catch y'all on the next one.